SimpliSafe. There's a lot of videos out there on this product in the system. Many of them are sponsored, so you may or may not get what you're looking for or an honest review. I paid for all the SimpliSafe stuff with my own money, and this, my friends, is a totally honest review on SimpliSafe. The system is pretty good, but it has some drawbacks. Today's SimpliSafe video, unsponsored, is about installing external cameras. When I first got this, I was really kind of intrigued and thought it was a fairly good design because it has this steel ball and there's a magnet with a cup. You just put it on there and look at that. But then I started getting into installing this on my home, and this is what I found out. It is challenged. If you come all the way over here, and it might give you a funky ankle. It's okay looking down. You're not supposed to install this more than 6.5 feet tall. If you do, and it pops off, which it comes off pretty easy. And that's the concerning thing about this design. Even if you choose to do this, which then comes on here like this, locks on, and then you can put this on, even for mounting it on the outside of your house. I strongly encourage you to make a lanyard. Pretty simple for a couple bucks that will save your SimpliSafe $150 investment. Let's go to a top-down shot and get into the details. So a couple things I don't like about this design. This is plastic. This is metal. Not sure why they didn't make this out of metal. It would have been a little better. You mount it on there. There's some screws that come with it. Are the screws okay? Meh, they're alright. It's got this little groove here. You feed it into that groove, press it down and click it. Is it going to back out while you're using it? Maybe. Maybe not. The other thing that I'm thinking about is somebody could take this camera. You've got it mounted on outside, and all somebody has to do is just pick this up and go. Boom. Your $150 investment is gone. So not only will you lose the ability to monitor your door, but somebody else can take this, reprogram it, and use it in their own system. Crazy. So I'll show you how I made this lanyard. It's made with number 16 jack chain. About 7 inches of chain, and then they come with several of these hooks. And what I did is I fashioned these hooks, tightened it down, and then made a loop so that I could securely fasten a 1/4 inch 20 bolts. And this is a, how long is that? I think it's a 1/2 inch. And I guess you could cut it down to a 1/4 inch and then it would go right in here, but I decided I wanted some little standoff. So I just took this end and bent it down in a circle using a needle nose pliers, bent this down, flattened that out, and put the chain in. And then you just put 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch long bolts. And then I wanted some standoff distance. You could actually bend it like I did here. This is the wall. And you put 1, 2, 3 washers on this. And then you take your camera, you put it in that screw. And what is that screw for? This is actually to mount other kind of systems, and that's another video. Post it up there or down below, or both. So this is how you tie in, and I'll show this in another video with alternative mounting options. But this one's all about the lanyard, so let's just stick to the video here. And so I've made this, and I made it so that here I'm just using a screw. You want a screw that's a lot longer than this, probably 2, 3 inches long. Pre-drill a hole and put a washer in there, and then just screw it in place. Alrighty. That way, if you use the magnetic system, this kind of clings right in here. It's kind of concealed, so if somebody tries to take it from you, boom, they're not going to easily get away with it. And it will be filming them the entire time. So people will think twice about that. The other thing is, if for some reason you go to replace the battery or charge the battery out, you're not going to drop the camera or the battery. So that's just a simple video about how to make a lanyard for your SimpliSafe outdoor camera for 2 reasons. 1, so you don't accidentally drop it and lose your $150 investment, and 2, anti-theft, because it will make it harder for people to take it away from you. Thumbs up and comments always appreciated. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in all sorts of videos on how to keep your SimpliSafe cameras and equipment safe, making and breaking things, designs of all kinds, I am do costumes, cosplay, and props. Check out my channel and please subscribe, because you never know what things you'll learn about the SimpliSafe system.